Hola! Okay, so this week, guys, we're going to work with food vocab, and we're going to continue with the preterite. The food vocabulary, you're going to have a little bit of stuff from Spanish 1 that you should remember, along with some new ones for Spanish 2, and then we're going to keep going with the preterite regular verbs. Okay, so here's your vocab. We have aguacate, apio, arándanos, berenjena, broccoli, camotes, chícharos, ejotes, ensalada, hongos, pepino, sandía, uvas, zanahorias, alitas de pollo, arroz y frijoles, camarones, carne, hamburguesa, huevos y tocino, nueces, pescado, sándwich de queso, tamales, ajo, avena, café, caldo, espaguetis, galletas, helado, jugo, jugo de naranja, macarrones con queso, pan tostado, panqueques, papa horneada, not papa, but papa horneada, pastel, sope. Okay, so here is a picture of your frutas y verduras, so your fruits and veggies. You may want to take a picture of that with your cell phone so you have that handy for your assignment. And here is the vocab for the proteins, so proteínas. And finally the carbohidratos. Okay, so your assignment is going to include these food verbs. So just a reminder of their pronunciation: cocinar, comprar, cortar, lavar, pagar, preparar, beber, comer, vender, abrir, compartir. So when you put those in the preterite tense, it's going to make it an action that you completed. So I cooked beans and rice. I bought the tamales. I cut the carrots. So just all of those, when we go to put them in the preterite, it makes it past tense completed action. Okay, and as you work with these, your endings, if it's an AR verb, it's no longer going to be o, as, a, almost on, because that would be present tense. So we're making it past. So it's the e, aste, o, amos, aron. And your ER and IR verbs, to put them in the past tense, they take the exact same endings, and that's going to be iste, io, imos, ieron. Okay, so if you'll use these last few pictures to help you with the assignment, it should be pretty doable. Take care, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Get some fresh air. Love on your pets. Take care.